If you watch YouTube every day and feel like you already know everything about the app, trust me, you don't. There are so many hidden tricks inside the app that most viewers never notice. These features can help you find better videos, organize what you watch, control recommendations, and even fix annoying problems without installing anything extra. Today, I'm going to share 10 YouTube tricks most viewers don't know exist. Let's jump right in. This is a very helpful feature for those who are watching videos in a rush. Maybe you're watching a recipe video while cooking or a tech reveal video and you just want the main part. Open any video and tap on the progress bar and try to scrub. On many videos, especially videos posted at least a week ago or 10 days ago, you will see little peaks and lows in the graph. Those bumps represent where real viewers kept going back and replaying it. The taller the bump, the more people thought that part was important. Instead of guessing, just drag your finger to the highest peak and you can jump straight to the highlight. Try this feature next time, you will save so much time. If you're looking for a specific video, we usually search from the main YouTube bar and end up with thousands of unrelated results. But if you already trust a creator, there is a smart way. Open the creator's channel page first. At the top, you will see a small magnifying glass inside the channel header. Tap that and type your keyword there, like budget laptop or meal prep. Now, YouTube searches only inside the channel's video. This is perfect when you remember someone made a video about a topic, but you don't want to scroll through years of uploads. This makes things so much easier. Next is a powerful one. Sometimes YouTube recommends stuff that you don't care about and your feed becomes a mess. Instead of clicking and surfing through those videos, long press on the thumbnail and choose not interested or don't recommend channel. You can even do this on the homepage and you don't even have to open the video. After a few minutes, the algorithm slowly reshapes itself around what you truly like. And now my YouTube page is filled with the video that I know I would definitely want to watch. Sometimes you want to watch multiple videos in a row and you already know exactly what you want to watch. Instead of opening them one by one, you can put them in a queue. While you're watching a video, just swipe down and then long press on another video's thumbnail and tap play next in the queue. You can keep adding more videos the same way and YouTube will play them automatically in that order. On your phone, this feature usually needs YouTube Premium subscription, but on desktop, it works even without a subscription, which is super useful when you're planning a little watch session. If you're watching a video in English and you want to listen to it in French or German, just click on the settings, tap on audio track and select the language you want. The video will now be auto-dubbed for you instantly.
Fonctionne comme une caméra d'action et tient dans votre poche comme une boîte de tic-tac. Voici l'Insta 360 Gigaoctet 3S 4K. Donc,
des typischen Tests möchte ich lieber darüber sprechen, warum es sie gibt, für wen sie wirklich geeignet ist und in welchen Momenten diese
This won't be available for every video though. The creator has to enable this option while uploading. But for the videos where it works, it's super convenient to watch in your preferred language and it gives you so many more content options. When you're watching a video and you come across a section that feels super interesting or like a must-watch moment, you can actually add a timestamped comment to help other viewers jump straight there. While the video is playing, open the comment section and tap the timestamp icon. Let the video play until the important segment ends, pause it, and then tap the timestamp again. That exact time range gets added right into your comment. You can then write something like must watch, this is the important part, or even a message to the creator saying how good that section was. I've also noticed something really clever. Some comments actually pulse or appear as the top comment exactly when that moment happens in the video. It feels almost like the comments are synced with the content, guiding viewers to the most relevant reactions at the right time. And it makes the whole experience much more interactive and helpful. Now, let me show you one of the newest and smartest additions to YouTube, the Ask feature. You might have noticed a small pill-shaped button below some of the videos that say Ask. This is basically a built-in AI assistant for the exact video that you're watching. Instead of pausing the video, opening Google, or scrolling through comments, you can just talk to the video like a chatbot and get answers instantly. With Ask, you can do some really practical things. If the video is long, you can simply type "summarize this video" and it'll give you a quick breakdown of the main points. You can ask specific questions like what ingredients are they using in a cooking video, or what's the main takeaway of this argument. And the coolest part is that the AI replies with clickable timestamps, so you can jump straight to the exact moment where the answer appears. For study or educational videos, it can even generate little quizzes to test how much you understood, which makes learning feel more interactive. And if you enjoyed the topic, you can ask for recommendations like "show me similar videos," and it'll suggest content related to what you're watching. A transcript is basically a full word-for-word text version of everything spoken in a video. It usually comes from the same data as the closed captions, so whatever the speaker says gets converted into readable text. What makes this powerful is that it's not just plain document, it's interactive. As you watch the video, the transcript automatically scrolls and highlights the exact line being spoken in real time, almost like subtitles turned into a smart notepad. Every single line in the transcript has a clickable timestamp, so if you click on any sentence, the video jumps straight to the exact moment. This is amazing when you're watching long tutorials or interviews and you just want to find one specific explanation without scrubbing back and forth. And because it's text, you can search inside it too. And you will find transcript under the description section of the video. Trick number 9 is a lifesaver. When your homepage becomes chaotic, go to your watch history and remove a few weird videos that you clicked by mistake. Maybe your kid watched cartoon compilations or you opened one random prank video. Deleting these from the history instantly clears recommendations. You can even pause history for a day. And tip number 10, super important for parents, protect kids without installing the full YouTube Kids app. Inside regular YouTube, you can enable restricted mode, hide specific channels, and approve only certain videos through supervised accounts. This gives safety without forcing the older kids into the cartoon-only world of the Kids app. It's a nice middle ground many families don't realize exists. Okay, that's it. I hope this was useful. I've got some more hidden tech tips coming your way, so make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.